Kushali, one thing, we all know that you are from biomedical background basically. मतलब you are completely into medical education and background. How you landed up in Hype and Hatch? What is Hype and Hatch?
Hatch and Hype.
Hatch
So basically, Hatch and Hype is all about branding and digital marketing, and both of them happened to me way before I chose it as my profession. Because as a kid, I grew up watching those TV ads जो दूरदर्शन पे वगैरह पे आती थी that had very catchy jingles. You know, अगर किसी ने यहाँ पे of course सबने सुना होगा मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है, मेलोडी खाओ खुद जान जाओ. So it instantly manipulated me into buying it. You know, there was no consumer psychology at that point of time जो मुझे समझ आता था. और अब 20 साल के बाद it's back again doing rounds, all thanks to Italy of course.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
yes, it was the passion that I chose over my academics.
Okay.
Working in clinical research was fun, but this is more fulfilling.
Definitely, very less people get this chance to do what they want. Yeah. You work with all kind of brands basically, like hospitals, business professionals, and what exactly, like how you help them in any of the example?
So we do exactly what those ads did to us when we were kids. We make them memorable and trustworthy for their audiences. Because every business is out there to either solve a problem or add value to somebody's life. So we help them reach the right audience in the right time.
Okay, like
by doing social media marketing or overall brand communication online.
Okay. According to you, what's the biggest mistake businessmen or right now they are making on social media? I have my page, and I guess everybody has their own page, but still only few of them have the more visibility or something. What is that mistake?
So according to me, basically the biggest mistake that any business is doing today is join the monkey see monkey do league.
Okay.
मतलब कुछ भी पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, फॉर रैंडमली ट्रेंड्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं, कंपटीशन को कॉपी कर रहे हैं. बेसिकली ऐसा हो गया कि एक स्कूल असाइनमेंट है जो हर बच्चा कॉपी कर रहा है, बस इधर उधर थोड़ा चेंज कर दे रहा है ताकि टीचर पकड़ ना ले. सो इमोशनल कनेक्ट जो होता था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी यूज्ड टू लिसन टू, जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था बड़ी शरारत करता था, वी इंस्टेंटली फेल कनेक्टेड टू इट. तो वो बहुत कम ब्रांड्स हैं जो एक्चुअली समझते हैं और फॉलो कर पाते हैं. So that's what needs to be incorporated.
You are saying that emotionally it has to be connected to your
yes,
to the audience.
Emotions play a big role when it is all about AI these days.
Okay. And AI?
Yeah, AI.
You are with AI or without AI? How you rate that? What is AI?
AI, basically AI.
Do you feel it replaces everybody?
No, it would never replace a human.
Achha.
I feel it's a very powerful tool. मतलब वो it makes your day so efficient. It reduces the repetitive work. It adds efficiency to you basically, because but वो कभी भी it's not gonna have heart to add emotions to the campaigns that is needed.
Okay. Basically AI is there and it is composing all the sentences but not the emotions.
हाँ, मतलब it is not human versus AI.
Can I get one example?
Example. So any campaign that I, for example, design for my client, it's the creativity that I add to it. It's the emotional creativity that I have to add. I don't think AI can do that. It can write captions for me. It can give me hashtags. It can give me analysis, but it cannot do what emotional creativity can add to those campaigns.
Okay. What kind of clients do you genuinely enjoy working with the most?
I guess everybody wants those kind of clients.
Definitely.
But genuinely I enjoy working with those who are very passionate about their work, because then it reflects into their brand as well.
Okay.
And of course those who trust the process and the expertise, because अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो हम डॉक्टर को ये नहीं बोलते कि मुझे वो दवाई दो. We just trust his expertise. We don't interfere in what he's doing, right?
Yes.
So same goes for digital marketing.
You have been in BNI for quite some time now. Networking genuinely changed things for you professionally, and of course.
Yes, it definitely did. It did for everybody. It not just professionally but personally as well. The biggest contribution that BNI has made for me in my life would be that from just being a business owner, it has transformed me into being more of an entrepreneur and a leader who people can trust.
basically, why you named Hatch and Hype?
Hatch and Hype. So hatch is basically it's hatching the idea
Okay.
and giving it the hype that it needs. That's how Hatch and Hype came into the
Okay.
picture.
Okay. What are your future plans? How you are thinking? Like after 5 years, or within this 5 years, what is your roadmap?
Roadmap is very wild. Of course, it has to be wild with BNI.
I'm talking only about professional, not the traveling ideas.
No travel. Travel is fun, but yeah, it's. I would want it to have that hype that I like to give to my clients.
Basically, what I mean to is whom you are looking for. Like what kind of clients you are looking for. Who can be your clients? Like anybody?
Anybody.
But
Anybody who
any
needs-
genuine clientage list you have, then of course we can help in that.
I have been talking about Neha Mankar from Whole Truth Food. I would like to connect with her. I would want to work for brands who are looking for a revamp, basically into their brands, because somewhere they themselves or the new generations that are stepping into the business, they feel that their business somewhere is disconnected to the audience. Still, that particular thing is not happening for them. I would want to connect with them.
Great. One end note. What do you find in Obsidian chapter? Like if you compare your, you are a creative partner, and when I say that you are a creative partner, what kind of creative, in anybody or any member or anything, like whom you connect that, that's a creative partner. That's kind of a creative. That kind of a creative person.
You mean which member here is creative? Are you
Like-
trying to ask that?
Like that. When I say your brand name, you instantly relate. Like that. This can be your Hatch and Hype ambassador.
Ambassador.
Huh.
Oh wow, it has to be me. Nobody else. Nobody else. I trust myself the most.
I was expecting that. Thank you so much, Khushali,
Thank you
for
for
being
having
here
me.
today.